If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Rocket League, follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and then restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix the error. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache of your gaming platform. For Steam, you can do this by navigating to the settings and clearing the download cache. For consoles, you can usually do this by powering down the console completely and unplugging it for a few minutes. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Rocket League support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken to expedite the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save error and enjoy your game without interruptions.